Hey everyone, welcome to the tutorial for Candyman by Christina Aguilera. Let's get started. So we have a little intro move. We're going to find this a lot throughout the dance. It starts with right together, left together, right together, left together. Same thing back, right together, left together, right together, left together. Although it has a little bit of a hop, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the hands are just opposite. When you start with the right, the left arm comes forward, the right arm goes out. On the other side, opposition there. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now on those little hops forward, if you don't want to jump, you just step together. Ta, 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 and back, ta, ta, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So either way, show it to the front. If you don't want to do the jump, step together, step together, step together, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With the jump, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 3, 5, 7, 8. Next part is just a little step side to side. Grapevine, together, grapevine, together. The hands go around, little head, around, little head. So facing the front, we go 1, 2, 3, together 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up to the right diagonal. Shake, left shake, down and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, together. With those hands, shake, 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 shake. And we're going to take it out to the front. We're going to run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out 7, 8. The hands are going to come up 1, 2, 3, 4, down 5, 6, out 7, 8. Together it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we shake those hands and we sink the body back and forth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to walk back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And those are just little cutesy hands here as you take it back. So going up front, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Putting those two parts together, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shake it out. 1, 3, 5, rounding forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next section, we have these little kicks. So it starts with just a little tap for 4, and then turns into a kick for 4. And we're going to take that around the room. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick. 3, 7 to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 kicks to the back. 1, 2, 3, and side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. Great. Next section, we have a little up, up, back, back. Clap up, clap down. And then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we get section 5, 6, 7, 8. To the front, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to do this around front of the right. Up, down, around upper body. Dip. And bring the booty back to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's start from the top with that little forward step together. With those arms, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shaking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shake, 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 and running up. 1, 2, 3, 4, down 5, up 7, 8. Little hips with those jazz hands, and that keeps you 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap for 4, with strength in 4 kicks. Tap, tap, tap. We do to the side, to the back for 4, to the side for 4, and then we have that little out, out, clap, down, down, clap, out, out, clap, down, down, clap. Upper body and booty back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Upper body, booty back. Now we're going to put it all together. Let's dance it.